Chernobyl, Ukraine. Chernobyl. The very name sends shivers down your spine, doesn't it? It's a word synonymous with catastrophe, a place that will forever be etched in history for all the wrong reasons. But while we often hear about the explosion at the power plant, we rarely focus on the city closest to the disaster, the city that faced its own dark fate. Chernobyl was a small town in northern Ukraine, tucked away near the Chernobyl nuclear power plant. Before the disaster, it was a quiet, working-class community with about 14,000 residents. When the explosion rocked the plant in 1986, the radiation released into the atmosphere was so dangerous that it immediately forced the evacuation of nearby areas, including the plant workers and their families. However, Chernobyl didn't receive the same immediate attention as Pripyat, even though it was still within the exclusion zone. While Pripyat was the first to be evacuated, Chernobyl, which was closer to the explosion site, wasn't immediately abandoned. Over the years, as radiation levels remained dangerously high, the government declared the city uninhabitable. Today, it stands in near silence, with abandoned buildings, empty streets, and long-forgotten homes. Some people have attempted to return over the years, but for the most part, Chernobyl remains a city that time left behind. Despite the radiation risks, there are a few brave souls who have ventured into this radioactive ghost town. The stories of those who lived through the Chernobyl disaster, the people who tried to rebuild, and the few who returned to witness the wreckage paint a haunting portrait of a place where life once thrived, but was ultimately destroyed by a force beyond anyone's control. Chernobyl is not just a city, it's a symbol of the nuclear age's greatest failure, a chilling reminder of the devastation that radiation can bring.